Hello, I'm Chad Nash with NashTech. We created a trading bot to enter and exit the market with the best settings so that the bot can trade on your behalf and you can get your time back. Today's very quick tutorial is going to be on how to download and install the strategy templates that come with the Epic collection for NinjaTrader. So first you'll access these files either by the link in the email that you received after you downloaded or purchased a license, or you can access them at www.nashtech.xyz/templates. From there, if you're a trial user, the link is right there. If you're a paid subscriber or own a lifetime license, go ahead and sign in first, and the link will be provided after you log in. Just the trial version is a little bit older template files that are about 30 days or more older. And we optimize these strategies on a daily and weekly basis. So sometimes they change, and it's good to work with different instruments, things like that. So from there, you'll download the files, uncompress them or unzip them, and copy them into your strategy folder within NinjaTrader 8. That folder is at Documents, NinjaTrader 8, Templates, Strategy. From there, it's really easy to load up your strategies. You can either go into Strategy Analyzer, or you can go into the Charts Strategies area within NinjaTrader 8. In the bottom right-hand corner of your strategy, you'll see a template link, and you click Open, and your files should appear there. So if you have any questions, just go ahead and contact us, nashtech.xyz/contact. And if you were trying to actually install the Epic Collection indicators, we have a separate installation video for that. That is located at www.nashtech.xyz/install. Thanks. Here. So, hope to see you trading. Hope Epic Bid is going to help you out. Remember, we are working hard here to build these indicators, these strategies, and create videos for tutorials. If there's any tutorials, strategies, setups you would like to see us do a video on, please leave your comments below. Like, subscribe, and we will be in touch.